Hello students, in this video I am going to explain exercise questions, exercise 9.1. Here you see the question number 1. A circus artist is climbing 20 meters long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. So here we need to find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degrees. First you read question. Here two clues are given. One is the rope length and the angle. So very important thing is first you draw one diagram using this given information. Here this ground, this one is a pole. Here I am taking AB. AB is pole. This one is pole. Now this one is a ground. ABC. One rope is tied like this. One rope is tied like this. The angle between the rope and ground is 30 degrees. Next, the length of the rope is 20 meters. So here this one is a rope. This vertical line is height of the pole. Next, the length of AC is a rope. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle C is equals to 30 degrees. So here I am writing. We need to find height of the pole. Let to take this one is x meters. Let the height of a pole is equals to height of pole AB is equals to x meters. So that one we need to find what is x meters. Next, length of the rope is given. Length of the rope AC is equals to 20 meters. Now the clue number 2 is angle ACB is equals to 30 degrees. Now consider this you take triangle ABC. Easily we can solve. A 30 degrees is the unknown side. Unknown side is AB, known side is AC. So this unknown side is opposite to 30 degrees. So this length is opposite side. Next, this side is hypotenuse. It is opposite to right angle triangle. We can call that is hypotenuse. So this should take the ratio between unknown and known. Unknown side is opposite, known side is hypotenuse. The ratio between opposite and hypotenuse is called sin theta. So now you take sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. That is AB by AC. Already we know the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equals to AB by sin 30 is equals to AB is x, AC is equals to 20 meters. Now 20 transpose to left side, you will get x equals to 20 by 2. That is x equals to 10. So x is the height of the pole. Therefore, the height of the pole AB is equals to 10 meters. Next, question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle is 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the top, the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find height of the tree. So here we need to find the height of the tree. So here I am taking this is the tree, ground. So the tree is perpendicular to the ground. AB is height of the tree. Due to the storm, the tree broken. So here the broken part I am taking C. So this broken part AC touches the ground. So the top is touches here. AP is the original height of the tree. Due to the storm, the tree it's broken into two parts. This broken part, the broken part AC. A is the top of the tree. This A is the top of the tree. So that one touches the ground. So here the top touches the ground. It is making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. So making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. Next, the distance between this foot of the tree and top of the tree is 8 meters. This one is the foot of the tree. Here the A is top of the tree. So the distance between these two is 8 meters. So these are two clues, 8 meters and 30 degrees. Here we need to find length of AB and length of AC. AC is the broken part. This is the remaining part. So to find the height of the tree is equals to height of the tree is equals to the length of x by length of y. So here I am taking in triangle ABC. So let the length of BC is equals to x meters. Let BC is equals to x meters. Now the length of AC is equals to y meters. AC is equals to y meters. Now given the length of AP is equals to 8 meters. So AP is equals to 8 meters. Now the angle BAC is 30 degrees. Angle BAC equals to 30 degrees. Now you see the given side is adjacent to 30 degrees. This 8 meters is adjacent side. Now here this x is opposite to 30. Unknown side is opposite, given side is adjacent. So the ratio between opposite and adjacent is tan. Consider tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equals to opposite is BC by AB. So tan 30 value, tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3 is equals to length of BC is equals to x, length of AB is equals to 8. Just to do cross multiplication, x equals to 8 by root 3 meters. So the length of x equals to 8 by root 3 meters. Next, second one. Here we need to find y also. Y is opposite to right angle. That means it is in hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse. Given side is adjacent. So the ratio between adjacent and hypotenuse is cos. So cos 30 degrees is equals to adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. So we know the value of cos 30. Cos 30 is 1 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equals to AB is equals to 8, AC is equals to y. Now cross multiplication, root 3y is equals to 8 into 2, 16. Y is equals to 16 by root 3 meters. So this one is length of y. Now the height of the tree, height of tree is equals to x plus y. So y is broken part, the remaining part is x. Both we need to add to get original height of the tree. X value is 8 by root 3, 16 by root 3. So both are like fractions. Add both 8 plus 16 is 24 by root 3. Now do the rationalize. multiply root 3 and divided by root 3. So numerator is 24 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are. Therefore, the height of the tree is equals to 8 root 3 meters. Sometimes in question they give root 3 value. Root 3 value is 1.732. In case if they mention root 3 value 1.732, you need to substitute here 8 into 1.732. Otherwise, you can do like this only. Right conclusion. Therefore, the height of the tree is equals to. Therefore, the height of the tree is equals to 8 root 3 meters.